Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ajane and these are going to be my vlogs in preparation for Greece. I leave for Greece technically Wednesday, but I leave and go to New York on Tuesday. So today is about just getting everything ready and prepared to go. I'm crazy excited. I feel like I have so much stuff to do. In preparation for it, but we're gonna get it done. We are going to accomplish everything that needs to be done. I have to get my nails done, and I'm debating if I should get my feet done or if I should just do it myself. My nails chip a lot faster than my feet do, and I can always bring the little thing of polish and just polish it when it starts chipping. So yeah, So I'm just getting everything ready, getting myself ready and prepared, making sure that I have everything that I'm supposed to have. Gonna go try. I just feel like this week will be the week that, around this time is usually when I think people want to start doing a lot more stuff, which is weird because you would think summertime, but my friends are having parties and get-togethers and going to get ice cream, and just some of my friends from Kansas City are visiting, and waiting for the garage to go down, and I am trying to get all this stuff done because tomorrow I would just really like to focus on my homework and getting everything done for school as much as possible, so that I'm not stressed out, because Monday I work 7 to 4, and I leave Tuesday, evening. My flight leaves at 12:45 or something, so I want to be at the airport about 10 o'clock. It's not usually that busy, but you just never know which way am I going. So yeah, that's just pretty much my life right now. I am just going to, me and my mom are supposed to go to get our nails done together, but she just backed out. So she's just gonna get her eyebrows done, and we drove separately because, yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing. I really don't know what I'm doing. I really don't know. I don't know if I should just go out there because it's sort of kind of out of my way. I should just go do the things that I want to do. Let me call my friend and see if she's ready, because I don't know. Guys, it is kind of out of my way. I mean, I gotta go there regardless. I have to get my nails done. Oops. So I just left the nail spot. I got my nails done. I just got white and later, but I just got that done, and that was a lot affordable. I actually wanted a light pink, kind of a light pink like this on my nails, but I didn't speak up when he put the white on there, and it's actually easier because my toes would be white, my nails would be white, and I could just bring my white nail polish that I have. Hey guys, so I just got done eating dinner with Jacinta. We went to the Cheesecake Factory. I got my mom a cheesecake to go. Just came from Quick Trip. And this lady came up to me with her kid and asked for some money for some gas. And I'm always leery, but whatever. God would bless me because I was obedient in doing what he asked me to do. Which is, sometimes you just have to give to people without knowing what they're going to do with the money. You just have to give with a hopeful heart that, they're being honest and truthful to you. So I can't control it. I mean, if they needed it, they needed it. Didn't seem like no one else was going to give it to them, so I just felt like I had it, so I gave it to them. Anyway, I'm going back to Target to see if I can find a book bag that I like. I went to Nordstrom Rack with Jacinta, and it was just too expensive for what I wanted, so I just put it back. So we're gonna go back because we didn't look at book bags when we went into Target. And I'm gonna see, and then I'm gonna go to Whole Foods to see if I can find this jet lag medicine that this girl was talking about on her YouTube channel. And then I'm gonna go home because I'm tired. I'm gonna try to take a look at my homework and see if I can narrow that down, because I have to email my teacher Monday and ask her for the following week to see if I can get that written out and post it. At least email to my friend so that he can post it for me. And it is what it is at that point. But I just wanted to update you guys, and I'll show you what I got when I get home so you can see. I didn't really do a lot of shopping. I went into Forever 21 hoping that I would find something like some longer sleeve things, but I'm just gonna work with what I got. We're just gonna work with what we got at home because I don't have time or the patience to deal with it. Hey guys, so I'm leaving Target. I didn't find anything that I really thought. This guy looks so cute. I didn't find anything, so I just decided to order a book bag. Ooh, I got $20 just sitting on the seat. Order a book bag from Amazon. Hey guys, I just realized that I never ended the vlog. I got home and I ended up emptying out my bags, checking off some stuff. I had a list of things that I wanted to pack and stuff and buy. So I'll go over that list with you guys and show you guys some things that I got from. So, I got some Clorox wipes to clean off on the airplane, like the little eating place, and clean off some surfaces in the Airbnbs. I wanted the spray, but I couldn't find it. I got some wet cleansing towels, and it just like removes dirt, makeup, impurities, so I got a pack of that. My face, I realized, I think I've been traveling a lot, and every time I come back, I just like, my skin does not do well. So I was watching some people, they've been using like face masks. So I have a couple of face masks. I have one for the plane going there, and then one for the plane coming back. And I brought my best friend one, and then I have another one just in case. I'm gonna give her the other one. I don't know, we'll see. And then I have two that I just want to do randomly just to make sure that my face is getting what it needs. I have some sunscreen for my face. I have some Dramamine for motion sickness. I'm also going on a cruise, so I thought that, might as well get it. And we're going on a boat. We're going on a couple of ferries and some boat tours, so why not? I got some tissues. This comes in a 4-pack. I think it was like $1. So I got some tissues for the flight and just to have in my book bag because we're going to be doing excursions and stuff like that. So it's just nice to have tissues just in case. I need to pee in the woods or something. I don't know. I brought some lotions, some little lotions. I got 2 of them because I already have one, so I'll have 3. And I use, I put my top back on, but this cream, it's like Vaseline for my eczema. And I just use that as my lotion, really. I don't really put a lotion like that. And I also got an adapter from Apple. It's not Apple product. They sell the Belkin. And this is what I can use to charge my phone and to play music at the same time. So it has the original cord. So that's helpful. I got a 35-pack of gum because obviously you can never have too much gum. I have a little deodorant to keep with me on my carry-on, so that I don't lose it. I can just keep my other one in my suitcase and keep this one on me, and then keep it in my book bag so that, when I go into excursions and change stuff, I'll have something. And then I didn't buy this. I already had this, but my nail chipped. I'm already so annoyed and pissed. I should have got gel. I know that I should have. It was a waste of money to get pedicure, a regular pedicure, manicure, but it is what it is. But I have this to keep up. What else did I get?
I got a couple of rings and from Forever 21, so I got some, you can't even see them, some silver ones and some gold ones. And I got some white shoes, some kids kind of, I think that's how they're pronounced. My best friend made fun of me because I called them kids or something. We went to almost 5 stores looking for these, and I got these from H&M for $13. I also went into Lush because when I was going on another trip, I can't remember where I went. I went a lot of places this year, guys. Oh, it was on my birthday, and I had got real bad, like, chafing from Louisiana. Like, it was the worst I've ever experienced. We did so much walking. It was so hot. I got this rump, and it seems to help. It seems to do a good job. So, that, I got a little sample, and I have another one, too. So, that's enough to last me. You know, you need a little. So, I just got a little sample. I told them, oh, I want to try it. And they gave me a sample, so that's nice. If you don't want to buy stuff, just get samples and just go to different stores if you can. I got some balls just in case. I get a sample or whatever. And I got some of my favorite candy. I love the Oreos. So I'm going to pack some of this in my suitcase. And like take some of the candies that don't melt and put them in my suitcase. My carry-on, sorry. And I think that's it. Oh, I have a stand that I'm using right now. Just a little thing so that I can watch movies on the plane without having to hold my phone. And I also got a screen protector for my phone because I can't find my other ones. I don't know where I put them. I had a set that I bought. But, yeah, that's... You'd think I would have learned my lesson. This is what chipped my nail in the first place. This is why it's still not open. And I knew that I should have just used scissors the first time, but whatever. If it's going to chip, it's going to chip. It wasn't going to last the full 2 weeks that I'll be there, so get over it. I'm just going to pack my nail polish, and I'll have downtime. But at least my nails are shaped and stuff, so I guess that's fine. I really don't care if I break this. Anyway, guys, that pretty much ends the night. I just took pictures of my passport and downloaded them as a PDF on my phone. I'm going to send a copy to my best friend so that she has it just in case my phone dies. I'm also going to ask my brother if I could use his portable charger so that I just have 2 portable chargers ready and already charged at all times so that my phone never dies. And even if my phone is charged and my portable is not, you know, I still have a backup. Gonna do it that way because I don't got time for this. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I am crossing off list of things that I need. I'm gonna go tomorrow and go get some Benadryl and pack up the rest of my stuff. I have to get Tide Pods so that I can do laundry, and I have to try to find some tape for my boobs, but I have to see if my outfits even need it. The stuff that I was going to pack, like I said, it's going to be rainy some of the days. And I'm just trying to decrease what I have, some of the stuff that I have. And I also need to get some instant oatmeal so that I can eat some of that for breakfast. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I just want to say thanks, guys, for watching. If you made it this far in the video, we are just preparing. Tomorrow I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. And kind of how I pack. I ordered my book bag from Amazon. I think that's what I was saying in the last clip, but I got cut off. So I'll be ordering. I did order it, so it should be here Monday, which is cutting it close. But I'll have everything already packed, well, organized and ready, so I can just put it in there. And I should be good to go. And yeah, getting nervous, but I'm also very, very, very excited. But I'm not going to talk anymore. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll see you at the next episode when we're packing for Greece. Couple of more days.